look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No, 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 no. Don't hold no right. Yeah. Good against better than nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga can't play when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my full goddamn.
Alright y'all, so this is the finished look of this unit, and this wig is by Youthfee from Amazon. This is an Amazon wig, and let me just say they ate with this. It's a 36-inch HD full lace, and this is in the style of Knotless twist, and let me just say they are gorgeous, they are beautiful. So this is a synthetic wig, and these twists are black. So I would say the color is like about a 1. My second wig that I've gotten that's like in like a braided / twist hairstyle, and I really do love it. It's just a different look. It's different from, you know, what I'm used to with the curly hairs and the straight wigs and stuff. So this is just really different, but it's a good different. The lace on this wig is amazing. Like, all I put was my Even spray, as you guys saw, and this literally eats down, for real. Now it does have baby hairs in the back, so if you do want to put it up in a ponytail, you're able to do that, or a high bun, you're able to do that. I love how it had the baby hairs all around. I really like that because it makes it more versatile to wear. But we are going to end the video here. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And I'll see you guys in the next video.